Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandreajac. If you're new, what it do? If you're not, then what's happening? So as you can see by the title, today I'm doing a full get ready with me bottle girl edition. Like, I'm talking about full get ready from head to toe, literally. So right now I'm about to hop in the shower. I do work tonight. I work at 4 p.m. It is, I think it's like roughly 11:30 right now. I just got out of class. I have a 10 o'clock and a 1 o'clock today, but my 1 o'clock is online. I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm about to rinse my hair with some conditioner, blow dry it, grab some food, go to Target really fast, and then head to Caitlin's house so she can do my hair. And I'm gonna come home, do my makeup, get dressed. I think that'll be it. But I'm on crunch time, so I need to really hurry up because I'm hungry and I need to hurry up and get to Caitlin's house. Because like I said, I work at 4 o'clock and it's 11:30. So we about to be putting the time up here to see how fast I can do everything. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna see y'all when I get out the tub because I need to, and I'm about to jam to my tunes. Okay. Alright y'all, I'm on the way to Target. Look at my hair. I'm on the way to Target to get some ashwagandha for me and my bestie. Need them perks. My hormones has been all over the place, literally. So I'm on the way to Target to get us some ashwagandha. We took them last year and we both were like just hella content, and we never knew why. We thought ashwagandha was gonna like help. We just thought it was like a regular vitamin like fenugreek. So we was just taking them, like didn't even know that that's why we can't show no type of emotion. And now I know why I wasn't showing emotion, so now I want them back. Don't be like me. I mean, you can be like me, but I'm just saying that's what I want, and that's what I'm gonna go get. This time I'm gonna try the gummies though, because last time I did have the pills. I hope the gummies are more it's the same effective as the pills. I don't know. I feel like gummy vitamins don't really like do what they supposed to do. I'm gonna try them out, why not? And we shall see. It is currently 12:20. And I want tropical smoothie, and it's right next to Target, so we're doing good. And I'll be heading to Caitlin. All right, y'all. So I'm waiting. Like, what? I made it a tropical smoothie. I need me a smoothie with some citrus fruit so my period can come. Maybe I'll try Blimey Limey.
Tropical smoothie with a chocolate.
Yes, can I get a what was it? The buffalo chicken wrap, and then can I get the limey, if I'm saying it right?
What kind of size for you?
You said what kind of size?
Yeah, no, the side item.
Banana.
With a buffalo chicken wrap?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Anything else for you?
No, yeah, that's it.
1308 at the window.
Thank you.
Well,
I didn't notice that there was more smoothies at the top. It's whatever. I don't even know how much she said. 1308. He was talking a little low. About to pop one of these perks in my mouth. Ashwagandha, y'all. Please, I don't do drugs. I don't know how much she said, y'all. I think she said 1308. I'm not sure. But I got some cash for him. Perk 10. I just popped a perk 10. Perk 30. How do you pull up to the party and forget the perks? How? Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying a new smoothie today, too. Like I said, I've been obsessed with smoothies lately, more than coffee. It's good because I'm trying to change my diet. So let's try it. It look good. And it is good. I got Blimey, Slimy Brimy. I don't remember. But something like that. Because it had mango in it. I think mango is a citrus fruit. Or orange. Orange, I know for a fact is a citrus fruit. I'm just trying to get my period to come right now. And I can cramp less. If you didn't know, citrus fruit, make your period. Make the blood come right on out and make it come early. So if you're trying to get your period to come early, then citrus fruit, babe. I'm gonna talk to you. I'm gonna get to Caitlin's house because I'm hungry and I need to go because I'm Alright, y'all. It's currently 7:04. My manager said I can come at 8. Yeah, I really hope you don't see this video. I'm about to put a little bit more water and product so my hair can stay down and brush and put on some makeup. As long as I leave my house by 7:30, I will make it there right on time. Like literally right on time if there's no traffic. I think I'll be a-okay. Like I said, I'm just gonna put a little bit more product in so it don't be like so poofy and tangly at work. I'm gonna put some of this in there, some Camille Rose, because I don't have any Eco. I'm gonna get some Eco tomorrow if I need it. I'm just gonna rush, take a few pieces. And I've had this hair for years, y'all. This hair is from Beauty Forever. Y'all can literally go back and watch my curly hair routine, my Beauty Forever hair review. That's where this hair is from. Literally the same hair. Shout out to my best friend because she always slays. She always eats a purr. She eats the girls up. I'm not gonna put that much because I don't want to be weighing this hair down. I probably should have put the other Camille Rose. See how it's like giving it that shine. You know, some of these curl maker, just a tad bit, not too much to the ends. And I'm gonna brush the ends so they can curl. That's it, that's all, y'all. So that way when it gets poofy, it don't be just really big and dry. Basically, I got some little curls forming already. Do this side. That's one thing I love about curly hair, baby. All you gotta do is wet it, put a little gel, and you good to go. Might invest in a curly wig or something. I really want to do is color, so be on the lookout. I really like filming hectic stuff, like when I'm rushing. Why? I don't know. It just makes it 10 times funnier. So it's 7:07, y'all. 7:07. It really only takes me like 10 minutes to do my makeup. 15 at max, because I don't do much. All I do is put on concealer, powder, highlight, and blush, and I line my lip and color it. I do my eyebrows. I don't even do much to my eyebrows because they already thick. I'm not gonna put that much honey because this was my hair because I bought it, but like, hey, chitty. I'm hurrying. Brush, curl it in. I'm not gonna brush this ponytail too hard because this is a quick weave, as y'all saw. I'm not trying to mess up my bestie's hard work, so I love this hair. And for it to have lasted so long, like years, it's crazy. I think my third time I might cut it. Let me know what I should do, y'all. Comment down below if I should cut it, like do a Barbie ponytail and cut it, or do like a bob, a curly bob. I think that'll be really cute. But I've had it for so long, so maybe I just order some short hair. But the curls, they were tighter than this. I like them looser, I'm not gonna lie. But as it dry, I know it's gonna get even looser. So and now I gotta check it out, see how it look in the back. Okay, a purr. Makeup and then outfit. I really should have put my outfit on right now, but I was trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear because it's ladies night, so we have 5 options. Our 5 options are red if you're toxic, white if you're in love, green if you can't keep a relationship, and then black if you're doing you. So I think I'm gonna just go with black because that's what I want to wear to take my pictures. I wore white last week and I wanted to go find me a cute bodysuit, a long sleeve bodysuit, but I just didn't have the time. 7-Eleven, let's get it. I just really fill them in so they can look a little fuller, even though they already full. I just do the little missing spots. Oh, and I'm not a makeup guru. I really want to talk and do this, but I don't even know what y'all want to talk about. I feel like I should really invest in a lighter concealer for the winter time because I get really light. And this shade makes me look really orangey. And if y'all have like any bottle girl questions, definitely check out my bottle girl video, but I can definitely answer them down below. I don't mind. But tonight is ladies night, if I didn't already mention that. So that's why we get to choose what we want to wear tonight. This is literally how much I put on. Literally. Nothing more, nothing less, boo, that's it. I need to brush out my lashes, put a little bit. And I put some on the side of my nose because I be really red. And that's it. The only part I really be taking my time on is my nose. Because you can't be looking crazy. I feel so boring not talking. But I literally have nothing to talk about. Like all I do is go to school and go to work and read books and study and edit YouTube videos. That is what my life consists of. I do want to start being more consistent with everything that I do. Not even just like YouTube or TikTok. Like I'm talking about reading or things that I start, you know. That's what I'm looking for. Ooh, 7:18, y'all. Let me hurry. I'm almost done. But I want to start being consistent with literally everything that I touch and start. Like I want to actually finish something. I have a thing of starting something and getting bored really fast and be like, okay, what's next? Get out of that bad habit of doing that. Well, it's not a bad, well, it is a bad habit, even though it be dark in there, but it'll make sure you get them designer bags. I can do a small little mini tutorial, but like I said, I don't really do makeup like that. I don't even know if it's fuck. I don't even do my makeup like that for real. All I do is do my makeup for work, which I've learned. Other than that, I don't know what I'm doing for real. I'm just doing the basics. 16 minutes. I always go under my eye with a brush because my beauty blender can't really get up in the cracks and crevices. I'm so happy I'm off tomorrow, honestly. Powder. I'm not even about to go too crazy on the concealer. As long as I look decent, that's honestly all that matters. It's so hard doing something and talking. Like, I don't know. I should have got a topic to talk about. Tell me your New Year's resolution. Mine is, of course, like I said, staying consistent and finishing something that I start. I want to get closer to God. I already, I've been going to church, y'all. So if y'all want church, oh, I got 8 minutes. Let me talk. If y'all want church vlogs or like, you know, spend the weekend with me and stuff, let me know, because I've been going to church. I went this past Sunday and it was great. I didn't go to Bible study on Wednesday, but I really wanted to. But I did watch Wednesday's sermon and it was very good. Basically, the message was pray more than you complain. I tell myself that every day. So one thing I do every day is tell myself that pray more than you complain whenever I start to get to complaining. And then I also, I read 1 John and 5 every day. Every day. I read 1 John and 5. I always pick my phone up, thank God, and then go straight to 1 John and 5. Like, I started picking my phone up and reading that scripture before I pick my phone up and go to social media, and that has helped me a lot. So that was one of the main things that I really wanted to do, was get even closer to God than what I've already been, because I know I've been in my Bible. I already been in my Bible. Those are some of my New Year's resolutions. And of course, I want to I am graduating this year. One of my biggest. Okay, looking every bit of natural. I'm gonna put some blush on because last night my manager said I didn't have any makeup on, and I did. Orange blush tonight. I'm just gonna put a dot. That's literally it. A blush. I haven't worn blush in a hot minute. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Put my highlights, Fenty. But yeah, he was like, you don't have no makeup on. I'm like, yeah, I do, brother. That's the only thing about that blush. It, like, I be having to, like, really blend. This is the best mascara. I'm only putting this on my bottom lash. Yep. Eyeliner, pencil, whatever. Brown, line my lip, you know. And I be so sloppy with this for real. Before I put my gloss on, I put Vaseline. I gotta get my fanny pack. All I do. Get my, I'm gonna come back with my outfit on, but this is my makeup. 7:34, but here's the outfit. I don't know if y'all can see. It's just this bodysuit. And we just wear our fanny packs on like that, but I need to pack mine. Then we wear white socks and forces. But I'll upload a picture or whatever. But thank y'all so much for watching this rush get ready with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want more, let me know, because I had so much fun filming it, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video.